Hey subscribers, back at it the very next day for another pizza review. This time, I'm reviewing the Papa's Supreme, aka The Works. Look at that. First bite. You know that other video is pretty long for no reason, so I'm gonna try to make this one faster. Pretty good toppings. I can't make a review after the first bite though because I didn't get all toppings in one bite, so I'm gonna just take another one, or maybe a few. You might remember yesterday I said that the thin crust pep was like a classic. This is also a classic. A surprisingly mediocre topping distribution on this specific slice from Papa John's, however. Also, this is a 2-day in the fridge review. Most of my pizza reviews are probably going to be fridge reviews, because it really brings out the flavor. Also, that perfect amount of cheese. It's not overwhelming. If you look at that, there's a good amount of cheese to where the whole thing doesn't taste like cheese. Also, the sweet spot, which is like right here on the pizza, like where it's like half crust and half of the top of the toppings, is the best piece. The best piece of the piece of the pizza. And that's pretty good on Papa John's. That's like why Papa John's ranks so highly. And it is worth noting that the Supreme is more bang for the buck, especially with the crust. Because if you're hungry, you can probably eat like 3 or 4 Supremes, but then you can just eat like a whole pizza of thin crust peps just because there's more stuff on here. But it is more expensive, but the price difference is less than the amount difference. That's all I really have to say for this pizza. I'm gonna finish it up, but not on the camera. Pretty high quality. I forgot to show you the back. There's some of the back. A nice color. a nice flour. But yeah, shouts out Papa John's once again. Solid 9.0.